You guys are always bitching and complaining about something. Go eat a Snickers. You won $100 in a local tournament, and now you think you're a pro? The pro and pro staff stands for promotional, you dumbass. All you freaking throw is a wacky rig Senko. If you catch a fish on a Senko, it shouldn't even count. Facebook groups. Your damn jersey looks like a clown suit. You look like you belong in a gay motorcycle club. Facebook groups. Your damn electronics cost more than your boat. Why the hell are you blurring the background out in all your pics? Everyone knows where you're at anyways. You told us in your last Facebook post. What the hell is the juice, and how are you on it? You only caught 3 nicks. So you're telling me you're sponsored, but you still live in your grandma's basement. Quit trying to sell me shit. Who is actually buying your merch anyways? And why the hell you gotta go 90 miles per hour? The damn fish can't even swim that fast. Alright guys, just having some fun. I did the kayak guys like that, so I had to go after the bass guys too. But I'm doing it all in good fun, so don't get too butthurt over this. I know a couple people are going to catch some feelings, but you know, whatever. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.